Magandang araw, mabuhay. We are the Group 14. I am Bix Aaron Olarte Godoy, and today I will be discussing the self and the person in contemporary anthropology by Brian Morris. So, in this discussion, malalaman natin kung ano yung self and ano yung person in contemporary anthropology by Brian Morris. So, let's begin po. Una po is, who is Brian Morris? So, Brian Morris is a British anthropologist known for studying human behavior, religion, and society. So, wait lang po ah. Si Brian Morris daw po is kilalang British anthropologist. Kilala siya sa pagsa-study ng human behavior, religion, or and society. So, dito po gina-study ni Brian Morris kung paano mag-act yung isang tao, kung paano sila or ano yung paniniwala nila. Kasi una po sa act ng tao, kasi tayo po na tao is iba-iba yung act natin. So ayun po yung pinag-aaralan ni Brian Morris. Pangalawa po is religion. Dito po is yung perspective po sa paniniwala sa way ng paniniwala. Kasi dati po, iba-iba po ng ways, kahit ngayon po, iba-iba ng ways ang paniniwala ng tao. So, dati po is naniniwala yung mga tao sa mga Diyos-Diyusan. Yan, katulad ng mga pagsamba sa mga puno, pagsamba sa mga mga templo-templo. So, yun po, pinag-aaralan din po yun ni Brian Morris. And lastly po is society, kung paano naninirahan or magkakasama-samang naninirahan yung isang grupo ng tao sa isang society. So yun po yung pinag-aaralan ni Brian Morris. Human behavior, kung paano mag-accuse ang tao. Religion, kung ano yung way ng paniniwala nila. And society, kung paano sila naninirahan sa isang society. Next po is about Brian Morris. So, Brian Morris is a British anthropologist. He is a British anthropologist. Pinanganak po siya noong 1936. Professor and researchers. Isa po siyang professor and researcher. And focuses on religion, society, and human behavior. Katulad nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, yun yung pinag-aaralan ni Brian Morris. Pinag-aaralan niya po kung paano mag-act yung tao, paano yung way ng pag-act ng tao, paano yung way ng paniniwala ng tao, at paano sila naninirahan as a group. So dito na po tayo sa what is the self according to Brian Morris. So, Brian Morris sees the self as shaped by society and experiences, not something fixed. Shaping by culture and society, developed through interaction, it changes over time, and influences by experiences. So, ito po yung perspective ni Brian Morris sa self. So, ang sabi po ni Brian Morris, who we are is not fixed or permanent. We are not born with a personality that never changes. Instead, our self is formed by the world around us and what we go through. So, for Brian Morris daw po, yung self daw po is formed by the world around us and what we go through. So, kung ano po yung nakapalibot sa atin or kung ano yung mga pinagdadaanan natin, doon po na um, doon po nalaman ni Brian Morris kung ano yung self. So, una po is shaped by culture and society. We become who we are because of people, traditions, and rules where we live. So, dito po isa is na-define yung self because na-define tayo kung sino tayo, ano yung mga rules na sinusunod natin in our society, and kung saan, yun, kung ano mga rules na sinusunod natin sa ating society. Next is developed through interaction. We learn and grow by talking, playing, and being with other people. So, natututo tayo sa pag-talk or pag-interact sa mga tao. Then, it changes over time. Ito po yung tatandaan natin na yung self daw po for Brian Morris is nag-change siya over time. We are not the same forever. As we get older, our views and personality change. So, yung yung self mo po, yung self mo simula nung bata ka hanggang tumanda ka, through time po nag-change po siya. Kaya dito po nasabi ni Brian Morris na changes over time. Then lastly po is influenced by experiences. The things that happens to us, good or bad. Ito po, influences by experiences po. Ito naman yung mga nangyayari sa atin for, kung masama man o hindi. Basta yung mga experiences po na nangyayari sa atin. So, doon po is na-define ni Brian Morris kung ano yung self according to contemporary anthropology. Then, lastly po is what is the person according to Brian Morris. So, a person is shaped by social rules and cultures, not just by biology. Shaped by relationships, defined by social rules, influenced by culture, and varies across societies. So, unahin na po natin yung sa a person is shaped by social rules and culture, not just biology. We are who we are, not just because of our body, but also of our traditions and the way we live. So, as a person po, dito po nalalaman ni Brian Morris kung ano yung person. Because, dito po yung our body, because of our body, but also because our traditions and the way we live. Traditions po yung mga nakasanayan natin, and the way we live, kung paano tayo mamuhay. Doon po na-define ni Brian Morris kung ano yung person. Next po is shaped by relationships. We become ourselves through the people we interact with and love. So, nagiging we become ourselves daw po sa mga people na nai-interact natin with or with love po. So, doon din po na-define ni Brian Morris kung ano yung person. Pangatlo po is defined by social roles. Our identity depends on our position, like being a student, child, or friend. Yun yung mga positions po natin as tao, kung kaibigan ba tayo, kung students ba tayo, or kung tayo po ba ay bata. Basta yung mga positions po natin as people. Pang-apat po is influenced by culture. Our beliefs and ways of life affect how we think and act. Yung beliefs po, or the way or way of life, or yung way ng pamumuhay natin is nakaka-affect daw po sa ating pag-iisip or pag-act. For example na lang po is sa belief, sa paniniwala natin. Ang belief po natin is kailangan magmano, kailangan maggalang sa matatanda. So, nakaka-affect po siya sa think natin kasi pag hindi ka nagmano or hindi ka gumalang sa nakakatanda, parang maapektuhan niya yung pag-iisip mo kasi parang pambabastos yun sa kanila. So, yung belief na nakasanayan natin, dapat palagi po natin siyang ginagawa. Then lastly po is varies across societies. What it means to be a person is different in other countries or groups. So varies across societies. What it means to be a person is different in other countries or groups. So as we as a person, iba-iba daw po iba-iba yung personality sa countries or groups na nasasakupan natin. Katulad nga kanina sa kay Brian Morris, merong sinabing society. So, dito inaaral kung paano tayo mag-interact sa society na yon, kung paano tayo mamuhay. So, yun po yung last kung paano nadidefine ni Brian Morris ang person. A person is shaped by social roles and culture, not just by biology, shaped by relationships, defined by social roles, influenced by culture, and lastly, varies across countries. So yan lamang po at maraming salamat.
Report ko today, his historical background of Brian Morris. His student, anthropologist, and become a professor. How resisted different communities and culture. Student sciences. Become a professor. Conducted field work. Student human life. Siya daw po is nag-aral siya ng antropolohiya at naging isang propesor. Nagsasaliksik tungkol sa iba't ibang komunidad at kultura. Nag-aral ng hagham, panlipunan, naging propesor, nagsagawa ng fieldwork. Pinag-aralan ang buhay ng tao. Tungkol naman to sa more about beyond history. Number 1, noted anthropology box. Number 2, studying traditional societies. Number 3 is focus on culture and belief. Number 4, elikad human and natures. Siya na po is nagsulat ng mga aklat tungkol sa antropolohiya, pinag-aralan ng mga tradisyonal na lipunan na nagkataon sa kultura at paniniwala, and pinakita ang ugnayan ng tao at kaliksikan. It Brian Morris ideas. His beliefs human behavior is inspired by culture, religion, and social life. Cultures shape behavior, religion, affective identity, society influences peoples. Humans relate to environment. Naniniwala siya na ang pag-uugali ng tao ay nahuhubog ng kultura, relihiyon at pamumuhay sa lipunan. Hinuhubog ng kultura ang pag-uugali. Development of the self. The self develops through instructions with others in life. Experience full through instructions, learning through cultures, influenced by family, changes over time. Ang ibig sabihin ng paghubog ng ating pagkatao ay mangyayari sa pamamagitan ng pagkikisalamuha sa ibang tao at mga karanasan sa buhay. Ang ating sarili ay nabubuo base sa mga interaksyon natin sa lipunan. Ang kultura ay may malaking impluwensya sa paghuhubog ng ating mga paniniwala at sa pag-uugali. Ang pamilya ay isa sa mga pangunahing saliksik na nakikiimpluwensya sa pagbuo ng ating pagkatao. Yan lang po. Thank you.